Hello guys, it's me, Cardi here. Right now I'm just doing some stuff on bed. I'm making lots and lots of Lego stuff. Here, let me show you. So this is the airplane, which I built. This is the motor. This is like I don't know. This is a mouse.